Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to start a third chapter of Nausea, which starts on Tuesday, 30th of January. And the entry starts with the phrase nothing new. Like Rolly Bond says, nothing new. Like, for example, we can imagine that he enters in a room by saying that I can do nothing. There is nothing to watch. There is nothing to play. There is nothing to think anything else. Like there was the feeling of nausea and there was a feeling of loneliness in his mind. That's why he was just getting bored of everything. मतलब पिछले सीन में हमने देखा था कि उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है कि नौजिया की फीलिंग्स आ रही है। बारटेंडर जो होता है वो बार में जाता है। बारटेंडर के जो कलर्स होते हैं उसके कलर को देखकर भी वो थोड़ी सी नौजिया की फीलिंग होती है। उसके कलर चेंज होते रहते हैं और पेबल्स उठाता है इस तरह की। बस इस तरह से वो बोलता है कि नथिंग न्यू। Although there are a lot of things or descriptions that are going around him, but he still not notices anything. That's why he says that. And he has worked on his book about Rollyvon, like he was researching on the Rollyvon. He was impressed by his personality. That's why he started to distract his mind from all the distractions that he was getting from everyone or everything that was disturbing him. So he thought to write a diary or to start a research about Rollyvon. That was his activity. And in the next scene, he goes to the Cafe Mably. He visits that cafe and he starts to eat sandwich there. He's in a place called Cafe Mably eating a sandwich and he reflects on how he lives alone. और वहाँ पर कैफे में जाकर सोचता है कि मैं किस तरह से अकेला ही रहता हूँ और मैं हमेशा से अकेला ही हूँ। ना फिजिकली उसके साथ कोई रहता है और ना ही मेंटली अगर हम मेमोरीज को अगर हम देखें तो Annie was his girlfriend and lover as well, but she does not like him, but he loves her very much, and there are memories that he cannot get away from all these memories that he spent with her, and he does not connect with other human beings. He does connect with this delicious sandwich that he was eating on the cafe, but he does not connect with any human being. Though he visited the bar, he visited a bar where he met Francois and he had sex with that woman as well, but he does not talk with that woman and he does not have any feeling or affection for that woman, but he just want to spend his time. He just want to kill his time because he has nothing to do, and this chapter is totally based on nothingness, like existentialism and nothingness, nihilism. All these concepts are related to nothing. Like there is a no purpose of human being. We are just trying to find out our purpose in this life, and we are failed to find this purpose. And the author of this nausea tried to depict this feeling in us, in the reader. He do meet self-taught man in a cafe bar or in a library, but he does not find him as a true friend. He shares his feeling with him, and he also talks about the daily routine with him and admires his ways, but he does not find his companion. He does not find self-taught man as his companion. And he used to think a lot about a girl. ये आपको मैंने पहले बता दी कि एनी जो उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसके बारे में हर टाइम सोचता रहता था और उसके साथ घूमता भी रहता था, लेकिन उसने उसे छोड़ दिया. शी लेफ्ट हिम एंड नाउ ही इज ऑल अलोन. ही हैज ट्रबल लुकिंग एट फिजिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स फॉर सम रीजन दे फिल हिम विद अ सेंस ऑफ ड्रेड. अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं वो उनको देखता है, लेकिन उसे ट्रबल होती है देखने में, नौजिया की फीलिंग्स आ जाती हैं. और एक दफा क्या होता है कि जब एनी के साथ घूम फिर रहा होता है तो बस ग्राउंड से चीजें उठाकर और उनको बस ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देखना, उनको नोट करना, इसकी बस यही एक्टिविटी. और एनी को ये सब बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. और ये एक वजह भी है. एक वजह ये भी हो सकती है कि एनी ने इसे छोड़ दिया है, कि इसके साथ रहना नहीं चाहती, बिकॉज his activities are so strange and not normal. Any normal human being can get distracted from these kind of activities. और जब भी वो जाता है ग्राउंड में या कहीं पर भी जाता है, he just pick up a piece of paper or pick up a pebble at the beach जब पेबल्स अगर ये उठाता है अपने हाथ में तो उसको ऐसे लगता है कि लाइक पेबल्स आर चेंजिंग देयर शेप एंड चेंजिंग देयर कलर। उसके हाथ में आकर पेबल्स चेंज हो रही हैं, लाइक उसको ये नहीं लगता कि उसने खुद पेबल उठाया या उसने खुद पेज उठाया। उसको ऐसे लग रहा है कि पेज ने उसे टच किया है और स्टोन ने उसे टच किया और स्टोन ने अपनी शेप चेंज की है। स्टोन आर चेंजिंग जस्ट कलर्स एंड दीज स्टोन्स क्रिएट अ फीलिंग ऑफ nausea in him. That was all in this third chapter. I hope that you understood the main idea of this chapter, that like there is the concept of nothingness that the author wanted to create. I hope that you understood that concept, and I will come up with the next video. Allah Hafiz.